Hello, Parita. Welcome back on the podcast. It is really great having you here and getting to know so much more about access consciousness and how it works. Welcome to episode 2 of Getting to Know Access Consciousness Tools, where we explore how access consciousness can help you in your daily life.
Hi Vidhi, how have you been? How was your experience with the mantra?
Oh, it was great, Parita. I would say that I really felt that shift and I was practicing it all day. I tried to use it whenever I remembered it. The triggers that I was getting earlier was reducing. So I really felt a little change and I'm sure I'm going to practice it more. If you have not watched the first episode of Getting to Know the Access Consciousness Tools, do check out the description for the link. Parita, I would like to explore more of these tools and see how this can help me in my daily life. So can you share one or two of these more tools with me?
Sure Vidhi. So basically when you use this mantra, you must have seen the shift. But there are some situations where you don't, like you cannot use the mantra, but there are some tools which you can use, like questioning to the universe or questioning to the situation. Like it doesn't have to be good or it doesn't have to be bad. It's about just a situation which might even trigger you at times. So there is this very awesome tool, you can use it, which is known as how does it get any better than this.
Okay, so can you give me examples like where I can use this tool so that I know that where is exactly this will help me?
So basically, there are so many situations or so many events happening in our life. Like maybe if you're on a job and you get an increment, so you get into that, wow, I got an increment, and you stay over there. Yes, you be that, but then after that, when you ask this question, how does it get any better than this, you open up to new possibilities and more possibilities, which maybe by only celebrating, you might be limiting yourself that, okay, I'm happy with this. But when you ask for, okay, now what else is possible and how does it get any better than this, whatever you're asking for might open up more. And this is a good situation. But when there is a situation which, like, which has triggered you or something, like maybe someone talked to you in a way which you did not like it, there when you start saying, okay, how does this relationship get better than this, you'll start seeing that person shifting the energy, and maybe that person might start talking to you in a better way, or maybe that person may just dilute from your life, which is not maybe contributing to you.
So can you just repeat that line for me again so that I can remember it for my everyday practice?
You just keep on saying, okay, wow, how does it get any better than this?
So in any situation, I just say, how does it get better than this?
Yeah, and then you do not stay there. When you are saying, how does it get any better than this, you're open to the possibilities. Like I can give you one more very great example, which is shared many a times, that like if you're walking down the street, okay, and you're asking for a taxi or something to show up, but there are like, it's a evening time and lot of traffic is there, you just keep on saying, okay, how does it get any better than this, how does my travel get any better than this, and you will see your friend who's come with a car and you get that lift, and then you don't stop there, and then you keep on saying, okay, how does it get any better than this, I got this lift, and what happens when you get down and you have to catch a metro or something, you find someone with a scooter.
That's wonderful. So I feel it's like a chain reaction. You say, ask this question, you get something. You again ask this question, you get something. Yes. So can you share one more tool that I can practice in my daily life?
This one more dynamic tool which I use it and I've made it my lifestyle. See, like nowadays, or we had these earlier situations about like, war, the money scarcity, even the petrol thing was happening. Then we had this COVID situation. So basically when you use this tool, which is interesting point of view, you have this point of view, or interesting point of view, I have this point of view. What are we doing basically over here is we are not getting align and agreeing with the situation if people are talking about it.
Yeah. So can you just share some examples of how I can use this tool?
Anything and everything happening in our life is just an interesting point of view. But many a times what we do, if someone comes and tells you, you know what, because of this market situation, even my business is not going well. And then you keep on saying, oh yeah, even my business is not going well. So what are we doing? We are aligning and agreeing to that person's point of view. But that time, if in your mind, it's not necessary you have to talk it out loud, but when you say to yourself, okay, interesting point of view, he has this point of view. What we are doing, we are not even aligning or we are not even disagreeing it. We are just making it an interesting point of view. So what happens when you make it an interesting point of view? The impact does not directly come to your situation or your business or your life.
So, to get a little more deeper into this topic, I just remembered one of my friend's incident that she was sharing with me, that in her office there's a lot of politics going on and she feels that she's getting manipulated. So, can this tool maybe help her in any way? Like, how can it be more helpful for her if you could just share that with me?
Yes, Vidhi, this is a great situation because a lot of my clients also are facing such type of situation. So when you listen to this, you start making this as your reality. When we are living in this world, lot of things, whatever we project, we start perceiving it. So when we think, okay, maybe with me also this will happen, when you start getting that fear, you'll start attracting that type of situation in your life. So when someone talks to you about office politics or manipulation, in the mind you can just keep on saying, okay, interesting point of view, I have this point of view about office politics. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view about non-contributing people around me. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view about manipulation. When you start being that energy and clear your own energy, and coming out of that fixed point of view, you will start creating people who are like, even if they are doing it, it won't impact or it won't trigger you in your life.
Oh, that's wonderful. I'll surely tell her this tool for her to maybe improve and become more positive in the workspace. Thank you so much, Parita, for sharing such wonderful insights about Access Consciousness. So, I hope you all are also enjoying this podcast as much as I am, because I am learning so much from this. Stay tuned for more upcoming podcasts on this same topic. If this has connected with you even a little bit, do like, share, and subscribe.